So when you walk in, so I'm at another hotel, guys. I'm at the Doubletree by Hilton. Okay, so let me show you guys like how it looks. So when you walk in, it looks like this. So first thing you see on the left is the bathroom, and it's pretty cool, guys. It's nothing like special. I like the hardwood floors. The sink is pretty chill. See the mirror, y'all see me. Okay, now I'm doing too much. Hey guys. So then there's this nice TV, and then there's like these drawers and chests, and there's a desk with like this mirror in case you want to do your makeup. I think it could light up. Oh, that's litty. Wait, can you see me? No, you can't see me. I thought you would have seen me. And then, yeah, so that's basically how it looks. I don't know if there's like a view. Trying to see if there's a view for you guys. Got here pretty late, so stay tuned for the view during the day. That's basically all you can see, so it's not much, but it's pretty cool. It's nice. It's pretty cool, guys. So yeah, this is a tour. I'll give you guys a tour of like downstairs. There's actually a restaurant downstairs, so I'll give you guys a tour of that tomorrow. Okay, and the last thing I wanted to say, guys, when I checked in, the guy gave, the customer service guy, he gave the lady in front of me that checked in a complimentary cookie. He was like, do you want a complimentary cookie? And then when I came up, I didn't get a complimentary cookie, and I felt a way about that. But it's okay, guys. You may not get a cookie. It's not the end of the world. You can go buy your own cookie. And yeah, so stay tuned for tomorrow. So when you come down the elevator, it's like, this is how it looks. It's really cute. The decor is really cute. They just updated it not too long ago. Well, upgraded and re-renovated everything. It's like TVs on the wall that you can watch, sitting areas. It's really nice. They have, I guess, computers and printers you can use. A lot of different sitting areas, so like you can still social distance. And table here, have outlets. It's really nice lounge area. The front desk is over there, but I don't want to record people's faces.